Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best water jet tips is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for maintaining optimal oral hygiene, transforming your daily dental routine from a chore into a remarkably effective and refreshing experience that leaves your mouth feeling exceptionally clean and revitalized after every use. Number 5. Waterpik Replacement Tips, 6 Classic Jet. Keep your Waterpik performing at its best with genuine replacement tips. These are designed for optimal cleaning and oral hygiene. This pack includes 6 classic jet tips, ensuring you have replacements readily available. They provide a thorough clean for your daily routine. Engineered specifically for Waterpik water flossers, these heads ensure a perfect fit and consistent performance. Experience the difference quality makes. Regularly replacing your tips is crucial for maintaining effective plaque removal and gum health. Make sure your device is always ready to deliver a superior clean. Swapping out your old tips for new ones is quick and simple. Just click them into place and continue enjoying a refreshing and effective oral care experience. What we like. This is a great option if you need a lot of replacement tips at once. It offers a generous quantity for long-term use. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your Waterpik running smoothly, this bulk pack is the way to go. What people say. The replacement tips fit perfectly with my existing water flosser. These tips are designed to reach deep between teeth and below the gum line for a thorough clean. The different nozzle types included allow for targeted cleaning based on specific needs. Number 4. Waterpik JT450E Cordless Handheld Water Flosser Tips. Keep your oral hygiene routine optimal with these genuine replacement tips. They are designed specifically for your cordless handheld Waterpik flosser. Experience a superior clean with these precision jet tips. They effectively remove plaque and debris for healthier gums and a brighter smile. These are the updated JT450E tips, formerly known as the classic jet tips. You'll get the same great performance you expect. This pack includes 2 replacement nozzles to ensure you always have a fresh one ready. They come in assorted colors for easy identification. Replacing your flosser tips is simple and quick. Just detach the old one and attach a new one to continue your effective water flossing. Ensure your Waterpik continues to perform at its best. Regular replacement of your tips is key to maintaining excellent oral health. What we like. These are genuine replacement tips specifically designed for cordless Waterpik models. The assorted colors make them easy to identify within a household. If you own a cordless Waterpik and want guaranteed compatibility and a touch of personalization, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The tips are a perfect fit for the water flosser. They work great and clean effectively. The different nozzle types allow for targeted cleaning. Number 3. Waterpik JT100E Precision Replacement Tips. Experience the genuine precision tips designed for your Waterpik flosser. These are the same high-quality replacement heads you've come to expect. You might remember these as our classic jet tips. They've been updated to offer even better performance for your oral hygiene routine. This pack includes the JT100E refill heads, ensuring you always have a fresh nozzle ready. Keep your water flosser working optimally. Each package contains 2 replacement nozzles, conveniently offered in assorted colors. It's easy to keep track of whose is whose. Maintain superior oral hygiene with these essential replacement nozzles. They are engineered to deliver a powerful and effective clean every time. What we like. Another genuine option, these focus on the classic jet nozzle. The assorted colors are a nice touch for families. If you prefer the standard classic jet experience and want the assurance of a genuine Waterpik product with easy identification, consider these. What people say. The water jet replacement tips are designed to effectively clean between teeth and along the gum line, removing plaque and debris. These tips feature a precise stream of water that targets hard-to-reach areas, promoting better oral hygiene. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making them a reliable choice for daily use. Number 2. Operan Upgraded 300 ml Cordless Water Flosser. Introducing the Operan Upgraded Cordless Water Flosser. Achieve a superior clean for your teeth and gums with its advanced cleaning technology. This device features a generous 300 ml water tank, allowing for extended use without frequent refills. Enjoy uninterrupted oral care sessions. Customize your cleaning experience with 4 distinct modes. Find the perfect setting to meet your specific oral hygiene needs. It comes equipped with 4 specialized jet tips, ensuring thorough cleaning for different areas of your mouth. Reach every corner with ease. Designed with an IPX7 waterproof rating, this oral irrigator is safe for use in the shower. Enjoy convenient and effective cleaning wherever you are. Its cordless and rechargeable design makes it ideal for both home use and travel. Maintain your oral health on the go without any hassle. What we like. This is not just replacement tips, but a complete water flosser system. It comes with multiple cleaning modes and is fully waterproof for convenient use. If you're looking for a new, all-in-one oral hygiene solution with advanced features, this integrated unit is a fantastic upgrade. What people say. The tips are a perfect fit for my existing water flosser. They provide a powerful stream of water that effectively cleans between my teeth and along the gum line. The different nozzle types included allow for targeted cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Number 1. Waterpik compatible replacement jet tips. Are you looking for a way to enhance your daily oral hygiene routine? These replacement jet tips are designed to help you achieve a cleaner, healthier smile. These tips are engineered for a perfect fit with your existing Waterpik water flosser, ensuring a seamless and effective cleaning experience every time. Experience a superior clean that reaches deep between teeth and below the gum line. They effectively remove plaque and debris for optimal oral health. Not only do they work with Waterpik models like the WP100, but they are also compatible with other leading brands of oral irrigators. Replacing your old tips is simple and quick. Enjoy the convenience of maintaining your oral irrigator's performance with these essential accessories. Don't compromise on your dental care. These high-quality replacement tips are an affordable way to ensure your oral irrigator continues to perform at its best. What we like. This is a compatible alternative that works with Waterpik and other brands. It provides the classic jet functionality at a more budget-friendly price point. If you're seeking a cost-effective replacement that fits multiple oral irrigator models, this universal option is worth considering. What people say. The tips fit perfectly and work just like the original ones. These replacement tips are a great value and perform as expected. I was impressed with the quality of these tips, they feel durable and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.